Radhe Radhe. So today we are starting a new series which is PYQ of CSIR Net Math question paper. So this is our first question and question is which of the following set are uncountable? So there are four options. First is the set of function, the set of all functions from R to R. First we have to know about how to find the cardinality. Okay, if we have a function a to b, then cardinality of that function is b cardinality and a की cardinality. Power of b की power a की cardinality. This is the formula to find the cardinality of any function. Okay, so first option is set of all functions from R to 0, 1. So this is our function R201. As we all know, R is uncountable set. So cardinality of R is P01. Cardinality of 01 is 2. So cardinality of R201 is 2 की power R, which means 2 की power C, and this is an uncountable function. So function is uncountable. First is correct. Second is set of all functions from n to 0, 1. So n is a natural number and n has cardinality, countable cardinality of n. So this becomes 2 की power n, 2 की power n is, and this is become a Cartesian number c. So c is uncountable. So second option is also correct because c is also uncountable. Third question is set of all finite subset of R. Finite subset, okay? We have to read carefully. Set of all finite subset. A is countable set, okay? We have to take finite subset. So we take only two. Any finite subset. So P, how to find power set? Power set means P नेचुरल नंबर्स के पावर सेट निकालना है. तो पावर सेट कैसे निकालते हैं? 2 का पावर में आ जाएगा जिस भी सेट का हमको निकालना है. ओके, so in C option this means finite subset. So we take finite subset of n. Here we take 2, 3, 4. So it gives always a finite number. So it means this is a countable set. Okay, so C we can't take. C is wrong. Now this is a set of all subset of n. So read carefully here. This is told finite and here all subset. So all means 2 की power again mu naught, which means C, and C gives uncountable set. So fourth is also correct statement. Now second question is we have to find, here we have matrix and this statement is given and we have to find the eigenvalue of this matrix. Okay, so as we know this is a upper triangular matrix, this is a lower triangular matrix. तो लोअर ट्रायंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, इसकी जो आइगन वैल्यूज होंगी वो क्या होंगी? A has आइगन वैल्यू 1 and 4. If we know eigen value of A, then we easily find what is the eigen value of A inverse. So what is the eigen value of A inverse? Just inverse the value of A. So 1 upon 1 and 1 upon 4. So inverse का eigen value आ गया 1 and 1 by 4. So now we have to find the eigen value of this. How to find eigen value of this? If we take with respect to 1, then just put eigenvalue of A inverse, which is 1. Eigenvalue of A is A, 2 is 1. So we solve this and we get 9. Now for 4, eigenvalue of 4. So just eigenvalue of A inverse में 4, 1 by 4, 4 से 4 cancel, 3, 4, 2, 1. So it gives 15. So eigenvalue of this 9 and 15. Now second question is, which of the following system of vector is linearly independent? Which is linearly independent? Linearly independent means if we find determinant of these are vector, okay, so we easily form these in a matrix form. We write first as first column, first row, this is the second row, and this is the third row, okay. So this give this type of matrix. So now we have to find determinant of this matrix. So if determinant is 0, this implies matrix is linearly dependent. So how we solve this matrix and find determinant which gives 0. So this is not a linearly independent matrix. Now another is, we write this in a matrix way and we find the determinant of this matrix, and this also gives 0. So this is also a linearly dependent matrix. Now third, we write it then in this way and solve. After solving, it gives 1, that's not equal to 0. So this is linearly independent. This is very easy to solve. We have to just draw a matrix and then find the determinant. If determinant 0, then matrix is linearly dependent, and if determinant is non-zero, then matrix is linearly independent. Okay, thank you. Now if you want any question solution, then just comment the question, I will solve it.